Alright, what's up everybody? So, we're going with NoGoGarage again today. Having too much fun with this thing. Well, my strap decided to come in today. Oh, here's gonna be the fun part. Getting my fat ass in here. Oh, Lord. Alright, well, we're in the NoGoGarage truck now. Sounds pretty good.
If the windows would go down.
Huh?
If the windows would go down.
Yeah. This should be good.
Wasn't any fun.
Yeah. Now Brady's getting air in the tires because we're going to be putting, what was it, 4,000 pounds of coal in the bed?
2 tons.
Huh?
2 tons, something like that.
Yeah, something like that. Back there. So I think the old Cummins will handle it real well.
I didn't know the tires were this low.
How low were they?
One back here only had 20 pounds in it.
Holy crap. Well, tires have the right air in them now. Now we're going to get up in this thing. Or try to. Yep. Nope. Oh. Now we're going to get an inside startup. Definitely sounds good.
Yeah, we'll take it through Coney with the windows down.
Huh?
So we'll take it through Coney with the windows down.
Oh, that's going to be fun.
Get a little freeze on you.
Yeah, 5 degrees with the windows down.
5 degrees.
Well, 5 or 7 or 10. Still cold.
It's late, at least 15 right now.
Something like that.
I love Western Maryland. Just kidding. I love this truck because when the big cooling fan comes on, it sounds like a fucking coal truck. It just makes me feel like a eastbound and down, loaded up in truck. Okay, it's too cold for that.
Told you.
It's entirely too cold for that.
That is true.
God, the turbo sounds good.
Yeah, it does sound good. Yep, ambulance.
One thing, driving a diesel truck, maybe this makes me a douchebag, but every time I pull out, you gotta give it the just a little blip there. Just makes you feel like you're driving a truck. Makes you feel like your dick's bigger than it really is.
You said it. You're probably gonna piss a lot of diesel guys off though.
That's fine. I use my truck to do truck stuff with, so...
True.
Whatever. I don't take my truck to the mall.
Yeah, that's what you got the Focus for.
Yeah, that's what I got the... Oh, God. Wow. Yeah, that's what I got that garbage for. Now we're going to go up on the old Clark family mine and get a load of coal. I feel like real men.
Yep, get a coal for NoGoGarage. Or get
a coal.
Fuck me.
Keep that in the video, please.
No.
Yes. Get one.
Fine.
Get one singular coal for NoGoGarage.
Oh, okay.
Sunbeam coal furnace burns quite a bit.
You guys know what I mean.
That's why the audio is always shit in my videos, because that coal furnace with a big blower on it. Another good thing about the truck is you got the big fucking 2-foot-long man stick shifter here.
And you were saying that Dodge's or Cummins is still the only ones that you can get a manual from the factory.
As far as I know, yeah.
That I think is pretty cool of Dodge to do, is keep the manual in the diesel trucks.
Yeah, that's because Dodge owners actually use their trucks.
Oh. Shots fired.
Just be like me making fun of Chevy. I mean, I still respect Chevy. Hell, I was gonna put LS in my Mustang. Whatever. I appreciate everything. I just make fun of some things more.
Yeah, true. Same. Thing sure does pull.
Yeah, it just chugs, no matter what.
I mean, you said it's got about how much torque now?
Should be close to 1,000. I don't know.
Something like that.
I don't know.
You were saying you could pull out without even using the gas.
Oh, yeah.
That's how much torque this thing has.
I don't know. I love the thought of a new like 2017 or 2018 Ram 3500 dually, like the big Laramie edition, like White Buffalo.
Yeah.
Even if it was an automatic, I'd probably buy it in an automatic and I'd take it on road trips, because these trucks are so comfortable. Like the newer ones, they're like luxury anymore.
That is true.
I don't know. This works just fine for me. I've driven this to Morgantown a few times and it works. It's a little big for Morgantown, but it gets her done.
I mean, it's probably not the only diesel truck that would be in Morgantown.
Oh no.
There's plenty of lifted diesel trucks around here.
Yeah, there's plenty of mall crawlers in Morgantown. But...
Now this truck has a lift on it, doesn't it? What size lift?
4-inch.
4-inch lift?
That's the signal for four-wheel drive.
Yeah. Four-wheel drive time.
This part is you can let off the gas and third gear will just pull it.
He wasn't kidding. Oh, so just as a little poll, how about you guys down in the comments let us know what your favorite diesel truck is and why?
If you don't have one, you don't get an opinion.
No, if you don't have one, you can still have an opinion. But if you have one, also let us know what diesel truck you do have. And, I mean, if you have any mods still, you can say that too, if you want.
My tailgate fell off.
Like literally?
Yeah, like one side it rusted off.
Oh, Jesus.
See, if they could make a Ford or a Chevy body with a Cummins in it, I'd buy it in a heartbeat.
Guess the Dodge bodies are kind of shit?
Yeah, they like to get cancer.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
I'm guessing as soon as that coal comes down, it's just gonna squat.
Yep. truck's moving forward.
I thought I saw that and then it stopped and I was like, maybe I'm just saying shit. Good?
Yeah, I gotta bring her around here. That parking brake ain't worth shit.
Guess not, since we were rolling.
Yeah, well. There's also a dickload of weight in the bed, so.
True.
Tailgate fell off the damn truck, that's funny.
I guess we'll have to show them that later.
Yeah, the whole one side's hanging off of it.
Jesus.
Rusted hell. Like you. As with every other Dodge. Old Jeep right there.
Oh yeah.
Very old.
It's like what, a World War II one?
I don't fucking know. I don't know anything about Jeeps.
Me either. Be something I'd have to ask my friend Trevor and Jacob. They'd freaking know. They're like the Jeep experts, all my friends.
Jacob the Jizz.
Yeah, the Chiz.
Yeah.
Or the Jizz. Sorry, Jacob, if you're watching this.
That's fine. I like him a lot.
Yeah, he's cool. Yeah, he's cool. Definitely check out his channel, TheChis. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys to check it out.
Check out my channel too.
Yeah, also check out NoGoGarage, obviously.
I don't really upload anything, but when I do, it's not very good.
That's not a good thing to tell him.
R.I.P.
His videos are getting better.
I just think my intro is like the star of my channel.
Yeah, that intro is pretty good. There goes Birdie. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely check out NoGoGarage. And we'll see you guys in the next video.